it's me, and welcome back to another video. So today, we're still on quarantine, well, self-isolation, and I decided I was gonna tackle one of my major foes. You know, I enjoy wearing makeup, you know, I'm just recently like exploring color, but there's really just one thing that I've never been able to tackle, and today I have plenty of time, and that enemy is lashes. I love lashes. I buy lashes all the time, and they stay in the packaging just like this. I've had this pair of lashes probably for 2 years, and then in that time I've purchased more lashes. I've purchased minks, I've purchased blah blah blah, this and this, natural, full, blah blah blah, and they all are just piling up in my beauty drawer. So well, I have a lot of free time in my hands when I feel like, you know, if I'm gonna learn how to do it, what better time to do it than now? So I want you guys to, you know, just watch me. Okay, so let's get on to the video. All right, so now that we're all close and personal, I'm gonna show you what I'm using. Basically everything that came in the package I just saw you. These are wispies from, I don't know, no idea. These are the lashes. It came with these little tweezers with a little rubber tip to help push it up. And it came with Duo lash glue, which is, I feel like is the mostly used eyelash glue. So I'm gonna roll these off the packaging. I'm just gonna roll the band just so it keeps its shape. Now I've watched a lot of videos on how to put on lashes, but I've just never really got the concept, you feel me? Like I get you push and you put and you push and you put, but it doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't work out for me. So I think something about measuring it to your eye line so you can have it at the right length. I feel like, oops, I do feel like I don't have to trim these because they don't look too long for my eyes, so we're gonna go off that. And it's not like I can't get them on, but I can't get them on to a position where they look good. Like, I'm putting more glue towards the inner corner and the end because that's one place where it really seems to never want to hold. And I'm going a little heavy on the center also to give it a little extra security. You know? Then they say let it dry for like 10 seconds until it gets tacky. So I'm gonna grab it by the center. I'm not gonna use these tweezers. They're not. Don't talk. No, this is not. Yikes! So I've heard if you look down when you're putting it on, you should have a better chance. Okay, I think we hit the ground. Okay, got a little something going on. All right, hold on. This isn't bad. I mean, it's not good, but it's not bad. The edge is hanging on by a thread, and I think I did overshoot it. But I feel like I could work with this. I wear eyeliner so like all the time, so I could fill in that little spot in between the lash. I guess if I use a little mascara to blend them together a little more. All right, let's try and do the next eye. Look at how much glue I got on here. Inner corner. This one might be better than the first one. I understand why people just wear lashes with a bare face though, like looking at me, because it just makes you look a little more, it makes you look a little more done up, you feel me? Like yes, I didn't get ready today, but I'm ready. I did not come to play. But this one's like, I pressed tab a little too many times, and this was like right. So actually, I went to the store before and I purchased these magnetic lashes because I struggle so much. I still want to learn how to put on actual lashes because even though I've never tried these yet, apply the magnetic ones. I expect them to be easier because you've seen magnets, it's like negative, positive, bam. I want that on my eye. And also this isn't the one where like it has a bottom lash and you gotta put the top lash and you gotta try to marry them together. I felt like that was too, not confusing, but it sounded like it was gonna be a little problematic, you know. All right, so let's get into these. These are by Kiss, actually. I have the lashes. This is what they look like. You can see the magnets on the strip. And this is the magnetic liner. Oh, it says it's biotin infused. Okay, it's gonna help grow my lashes, make them stronger and thicker. I mean, I don't know how well biotin works topically, but you know, who cares. Paraben free, dermatologist tested, lasts up to 16 hours, wind resistant, no smudge, line, lash, done. All right, so I'm gonna see how this liner works just as a liner first. I already don't like how the application tool is. And then if I really don't like how the liner works, I'm gonna get my Fly Liner by Fenty. And I'm going to use this liner on top. So I have the wing that I want, but I have the strength of the eyeliner to give me that lash application. All right, so I got my Fly Liner. I really like this eyeliner. She's cute. She gets the job done. I love a good wing. I'm not saying I always give a good wing. Here. All right, so that's the best. I'm gonna get it right now. So I'm gonna let this dry. It dries fairly quickly. I will say that right here in the inner corner, I don't know if it's how I placed it, probably how I placed it, but it's a little uncomfortable. Trying to focus this line as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, so she is on. Oh, the style is Charm. Are they still sticking? Yes. Can I get them to place correctly? Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is where we're at. They're cute. I need to test it though. So I guess I don't have a fan in the house, so I can't really test how, you know, wind resistant they are. Well, I guess that concludes today's video. Overall thoughts. All right, so my overall thoughts on these magnetic lashes are that they are pretty easy to put on. You really just need to know how to put on eyeliner. And if you don't like an application where it's like a brush and a bottle, it's not even necessarily this brush and the bottle that bothers me, but the fact I can't hold this like a pen. So as long as you have an eyeliner that you know how to put on, you could just put this on top. As you can see with this eye, they're staying on. I feel like they feel as secure as these ones, you know. They're not coming off. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you like my content. Stay blessed, don't stress, and let God take care of the rest. Deuces.